My partner and I are both in our 60s. We looked at life and realized that it was time to do other things. We have, by most descriptions, a modern, well-equipped shop. Well, we have some very nice equipment. It's in excellent condition. It's been well taken care of. It's clean, and we carefully selected our technology so that it suited us, but we believe that it will suit prospective buyers as well. Our machinists treated this equipment like their own. It has been run for one shift. We've insisted on cleanliness and good maintenance.